How to transfer money from Venmo to your Capital One bank or any other banks. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pivin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from Venmo to your Capital One bank. Now here you can see the peer request option on Venmo. You should be able to find this option. However, you should also be able to find the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. In my case, it's not here, but you should be able to find it and you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it there, you should get the option there at the from the pop-up. You should be able to see the manage balance option on your balance, beside your balance. So you want to tap on manage balance. Under it you'll get two different options, to transfer and to withdraw or to deposit. So you want to tap on transfer to bank option. You can see move money out of your Venmo balance. Then you want to go ahead and enter in the Capital One bank details, that since you want to move it to Capital One bank, and you are good to go. Make sure you enter in the details, the credentials correctly. So this is how you can transfer money from Venmo to your Capital One bank account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.